Put a hole right in there.
Okay, so you see that? Put it close. It's kind of sucking the paper in. And that's on a misfire on his 2006 Subaru Forester.